This man had the easiest job. He needed to spread all those cocoa beans equally on this elevator so they could reach the separators, where the machines would remove the outer shells and the inner nibs would be collected in this process of deeding. Here, the grinding begins with the satisfaction of crushing every bit of cocoa bean into powdered form until it is so smooth to be sent for making silky and delicate chocolate. As soon as the melted chocolate is ready, it will be poured through the SES to make it more creamy, silky, and yum. These machines are made to do their work accurately. This is the most satisfying thing I've ever seen. It'll now drizzle into the bean molds to create those chocolate circular beans for Smarties. So much chocolate and in a neat and equal round shape. Okay, I must not exaggerate, that's what molds are created for. Still, this is too sweet to handle. This chocolate bean sheet is then cooled down mechanically to seal that yummy chocolate flavor inside the beans. One after another, the sheets are passed from drum rollers to the other belts to separate those beans from one another. As these chocolate beans are transferred through the convenient belts with separate portions, anyone can tell they're going to some better place. Well, I didn't say heaven. Instead, they'll be processed until they'll make them a nice replacement for your heavenly treat. Cravings beans are carefully gathered in this rolling drum to remove the excessive chocolate drips from the beans and to give them the proper shape, like any finishing touches. So here we can see another way of preparing bit-sized chocolate beans. Those little holes drop a bit-sized chocolate in a neat shape, which is then cooled down and collected with super ease. Looking at these beautiful pods, they're color-specific coating chambers for chocolate beans, meaning if one likes to collect brown beans from their Smarties pack, one must know they belong to this brown. Here, the candy shell is created by combining sugar, coloring agents, and that crowning flavorings of orange, grape, strawberry, cherry, lemon, and pineapple. The sugar serves as the main component, providing sweetness, while coloring agents give vibrant colors to the candy shells. All those colored coated beans are then collected to roll them into these outer coating drums, where this blended mixture of cocoa butter, sugar, milk powder, and flour is added. It is to make them hard and shiny and give them that crunch. The crunchy candy shell contrasts with the softer core to create a protective layer for the softer cores, and also to give that crunchy from outside and softer from the inside kind of texture. These mixed colored, ready-to-eat Smarties are going to pass through the sing deck now. This is their final exam, and they need to prove that they have the exact shape which their customers love, and only the perfectly shaped can pass through it. On an everyday mark, around 70 to 80,000 PB of these Smarties beans are made. Well, that's a little too much for only 2 factories to produce this huge number of chocolate beans. Yep, such a big name and just 2 factories. They better not underestimate the quality. Oops, they already began packing mini Smarties. Thank God we are just in time.